In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect apps to your ActiveCampaign account. Integrating external applications with ActiveCampaign is a fantastic way to enhance your email marketing capabilities and streamline your workflow. Whether you're looking to connect a CRM, a social media management tool, or another app that suits your business needs, this process is straightforward and worth exploring. To get started on integrating apps with ActiveCampaign, you'll first need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with various options to customize and adjust your account settings. From this menu, select Apps. This will take you to the page where all the magic happens. On the Apps page, you'll be presented with a list of external apps and programs. These are the applications that can be connected to ActiveCampaign to enhance its functionality. From communication tools to data analytics, there's a broad selection available, so take a moment to explore what's there. Integrating these apps can provide more capabilities and make managing your campaigns smoother and more efficient. Once you've browsed a bit and decided which app you'd like to connect, simply click on that app. You'll be directed to a dedicated page for the app you selected. This page will lay out the specific steps needed to effectively connect and integrate the app with ActiveCampaign. It's important to note that each application has its own set of integration instructions, specifically tailored to its features and the way it interacts with ActiveCampaign. So, you'll want to follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful integration. While each app has unique instructions, they generally guide you through authorizing access, verifying your account, and configuring settings to match the needs of your campaigns. If you find that an app's integration process appears complex, don't hesitate to take things slowly, double-check each step, or consult additional resources for help. That's all you need to know to start adding and connecting apps to your ActiveCampaign account. It's an empowering way to expand what you can do with your marketing and could save you a lot of time and effort as your campaigns grow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel ready to enhance your ActiveCampaign experience with some helpful integrations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.